Hello, so I'm going to show you how to use the focal point um, to play around a little bit with the background images. So sometimes when you upload a background image like so, I'm going to use edit as a full screen just so that I can go into it. This picture, there's a lot more to this picture, but at the moment we can only see a bum. And then a client was like, oh, I really love the image, but at the moment it just looks like a bum and I'd like to see the posture because she's a yoga and movement therapist. So a way that we can do that is by going into edit section on the right here, then going into background, and then you see your image, and then you can, this is the focal point. So if I put it up here, it'll just be gray, but if I put it roughly down here, you'll be able to see that actually she's in child's pose. So there's a bit of bum, which is cute, but you've got the yoga position. So you can see that she's in child's pose now. So that's one way that you can play around with background images, because a lot of people have problems with background images in Squarespace because it doesn't resize, it doesn't use the photo as a full, it just uses what it can in the frame because it fills the whole image up with it. So unless you totally format it differently to fit this screen exactly, this is one little hack that you can do. Hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe. It really, really helps me. And please watch any other videos. I'll link some below. Thank you.